Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of MHRM online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Oval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TY Become student participants for the MHRM online lecture. And today we are going to discuss about the what are the functions of the marketing. Now look at the here. With the help of this is the one shortcut. I have prepared that one, and we are going to complete almost 10 points under the functions of the marketing. Now the first one we have seen MIS, marketing information system. The second point we have seen MR, marketing research, and the next one is of P4, product price place and promotion, and the last one we are going to see that one is a CRM. Under the P4, product price place promotion, under the promotion we are going to see the three different points also: advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion. Then we can say under the P4 we can get almost the 7 points is here, that is a indicate total 11 features, 11 functions we are going to see under the marketing. Now we are going to see one by one here. Now this is the shortcut to remember. I have already explained that one: MIS, MR, P4 and the CRM. Now the question is about functions of the marketing. Now we are going to see one by one here. Now look at the here: MIS, marketing information system; MR, marketing research; P4, product price place and the promotion. Promotion is having advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion, after sales service. Then promotion itself is having the 4 points: advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion, after sales services, and the last one is a CRM. With the help of the MIS, MRP4 and the CRM, we are going to complete the 10 functions of the marketing. Now we are going to see one by one each and every functions of the marketing. Now look at the here. The first point is that MIS, marketing information system. The meaning is that it is a structure of people. What are the people are working at the top level, middle level, at the lower level, whether it's a manager or non-manager personnel, we all have that record, the name, designation, salary, their promotion, whatever the records we are going to maintain that. It is a structure of people, equipments and procedure to gather, sort, analyze and transmit data to the decision maker, that is called as MIS, marketing information system. It is nothing but whatever the resources we have, that your physical resources, then human resources, then capital resources. There is a lot of all the information we are going to store in the computer in a systematic manner to gather, sort, analyze and transmit data to the decision maker, that is called as a marketing information system. Basically the MIS is having the four components, and these are internal records, marketing research, marketing intelligence, and marketing decision support system. These are the four components of the MIS. Now we are going to see the second features of the second functions of the marketing. Marketing research. It is a systematic process of collecting and analyzing data to solve a specific marketing problem. And here is having the for research, for research, that is a consumer research, and the P4 research is also their product research, price research, place research. What kind of the research we are going to see under the here, that is called as the marketing research. But I would like to stress out here, the marketing research is a focus on the specific marketing problem. Now, if any new problem, if any new specific problem we are going to face, and that time we are going to do the systematic collecting data, analyzing data, and we are going to try to solve that problem, that is called as marketing research. Now look at the here product. The this is the one of the functions of the marketing. Product means anything we can see, we can touch, that is called the tangible things. Now look at the here, we are the customer, we are the common people, we are purchasing milk on regular basis. we are purchasing mobile phone once in a time, that is comes under the FMCG, and the consumer durable product respectively. Anything can offered by marketer to satisfy customer needs or wants are called as a product. Product is having characteristic just like a tangible things. FMCG, the milk we are going to purchase on regularly, and the consumer durable, the mobile phone, your AC, refrigerator, laptop, these are the durable products we are purchasing once in a time, that comes under the product. Now this is the milk, now this is the mobile. Now we are going to see the price. It is a exchange value of the product and services. Buyer is ready to accept and the seller is ready to pay for agreed price. In India, price is in always in a rupee terms. It should be the right price. It should not be too high as well as the too low price. I would like to give the one of the example. If all the ball pen is available in the market having the 5 rupees, if I'm going to keep the 7 rupees of my ball pen price, no one like to purchase because the substitute products are available only 5 rupees. In another scenario, we can say basically there are the two methods of pricing we are going to follow. That one, skimming price. All the fashionable products, all the technological related products, they have kept the higher price to earn the profit. They want to recover the early cash expenses. And penetration pricing, they are having the different objective. They want to capture the market, they want to first settle in the market. Therefore they want to keep the low price to capture the market. The best example of the DNA newspaper, at the time of the launch of the DNA newspaper, that time it was available as a free of cost. Then after they had kept 1 rupee price, they had kept 2 rupees price, they had kept 3 rupees price. Now after the completion of the 8 to 10 years, now we have seen the DNA newspaper having the same price, which is having the Times of India. That is called as a penetration pricing. We have even also we have seen the China products is selling throughout the world market as a low price because they are having the different marketing strategy, penetration pricing strategy to capture that market. And the skimming pricing strategy, it is applicable for the technological and fashionable products. But the reason is that these are the products is having the very short life. The technology always changing, it's a flexible nature. Today's technology will be still for tomorrow. Within the 1 month, within the few months, the mobile technology, whatever the technology that's going to change here. Even also fashion is also outdated. Therefore these are product having the short life. Therefore those who are the marketer, seller, they are going to follow the skimming the price, skim the cream in a early period. Therefore they can keep a high price of the product. Now we are going to see about the place. It is a indicate the channel of the distribution, the moment of the product from the production center to the consumption center. If you want to purchase any product, there should be the wholesaler, retailer, companies, online, offline, showroom, any place, any source will be available to purchase that product. Moment of production to the consumption center, channel of distribution. There are the so many channel of distribution, direct, indirect channels. Then one centralized place, branches, shops or dealers or retailer or agents available. Even also nowadays we have gone through the online shopping. Maximum transaction we have done on the online basis also. Therefore there is a need for the place. It's a indicate that one, channel of distribution. Now we are going to see here the promotion, to promote or publicity or to propaganda about the product and services, to attract the attention, create demand and induce the customer to purchase the product. No, under this one we know very well about the advertising, any paid form, non-personal presentation, promotion of idea, goods and services, salesmanship. It is applicable on individual basis. It is done by the sales executive and the salesperson, and it is a personal presentation form. The sales promotion, we have seen the lot of the advertisement. If you are buying one product, take another free. The 50% discount, then 10% discount, then a winner lottery system, this is a free coupon, etc. This comes under the promotion technology. After sale services, warranty guarantee, the feedback of the customer, as per of the requirement of the customer, we are going to change or modify the product. That comes under the after sale services. These are the functions under the promotion. Now we are going to see the last point under the functions. Now that is called the CRM, customer relationship management. Nowadays, due to the holistic approach of the marketing, customers are the king of the marketing. Now it's a perfect competition. So many sellers, so many buyers are available in the market. So many substitute products are available in the market. The customers having a wider choice of coverage of the product. Therefore, it's a difficult time for the seller to maintain the customer for the long time. Therefore, they have to focus to satisfy the customer first, and they want to maintain the customer for the long time, not only for the survive, but they want the progress and prosperous also. Therefore, there is a need to maintain the customer. There is a requirement of the customer relationship management. These are the recaps now. Now we can, with the help of the, these are the shortcut, we can very easily understand the functions of the marketing, MIS, MR, P4, and CRM. Once more, I would like to go for the recap also. MIS, then MR, product, price, place, then promotion, and these are the CRM. Yes, thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.